Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my Marketer channel. In this video, I'm going to detail you about all about the TikTok advertising. And for if you are familiar with the Facebook marketing, then you can easily learn the TikTok. It's very similar to. You would be surprised for this to see the similarities. For the Facebook Business Manager, the TikTok has the Business Center. Business Center has controls the members of the. You can add your team member. You can invite partners. That is like if you are outsourcing to a external agency to manage your TikTok advertisement, you can invite them as partners, and then it houses all the ad accounts and custom audiences, all your assets basically. And with this Business Center, you can manage like multiple accounts also in a single place. And let's get into the this is the homepage you would normally see if you have already signed up for the TikTok Business Center. In case if you haven't done it, you have to have the business details ready with you, and all those business website, everything has to be filled out, and then TikTok will approve your access. Yeah, this is where this is how the exact TikTok Business Center looks like. It will have users, users, assets, finance one, and finances, like the how you manage your payments. Finance, like you have, there will be two rules. One is finance manager, where it has complete control, and finance analyst, where they can just see the bills and other things. And users are members. Members are like, you can assume like, if you want to invite your team members, you can add multiple team members to this Business Center, and they can manage your accounts, and or they can do their function. Partners are like, as I said before, these are like agencies. When you outsource to a separate agency, you can add them as a partner, and you can remove them once you terminate their service. Advertiser account, these are like very similar to the ad accounts of the Facebook Business Manager. And audiences are like custom audience you can create. You can create a custom audience through GAD or the FID, or like email matching and mobile matching are under testing. So for selected countries, it should be available. And you can link your TikTok accounts for Spark ads. I will detail about everything in the following sequence like this. Advertising account. Once you click the advertising account, how to go to your ads manager? You can just go to click this one, and it will land it in your ads manager. Just wait, let it load. Yeah, once you land at the ads manager, you will see like the dashboard. This is the demo account, so you won't see any of those details. Just for the video, I'm using this account. So it will populate all the key performance metrics you have to track here in the dashboard itself. Just wait, let it load. Yeah, these are like custom audiences. Regarding the ads manager, that it would be there would be a campaign, and under the campaign objective can be traffic or app installs, or like conversion campaigns, or video views, or lead generation videos, and are generally used for retargeting. Lead generation, there will be instant forms like the Facebook instant forms. TikTok has its own collection forms, and you can just collect the customer details from right in the TikTok itself. And like conversion campaigns are like, you could drive real conversions to your websites. Reach and frequency are like it maximize your reach just to create awareness. It can be used for top of the funnel campaigns. And this is how you can set the campaign objectives. You can use the CBO, campaign budget optimization, and you can create a split test. If you don't want to get into these things, you can just click the lead generation. For this demo, I'm using this lead generation. Once you select the lead generation, and if you can keep the default settings, click continue. And if Facebook has ad sets, TikTok has ad groups. TikTok call it as ad groups, where the major configuration goes in. You have to place like which are the placements we can. Unlike Facebook or Instagram, TikTok has limited placements, so you don't have to worry about these things. And just click it, and you can use custom targeting or the automatic targeting. Custom targeting, I have chosen custom targeting, and I'm choosing Unite USA languages as all. And you can just restrict the age group you want to target, and also you can restrict the you can narrow down your audience based on their household income also. And these are like key things. These are like very key things. You can select audience. Yeah, select audiences like include. It's a custom audience you can include, and custom audience you can exclude. Let's get into these details first. Yeah, this is how the custom audience you can create. If TikTok accepts IDFA, GAID. One is the Apple advertiser ID, and the other one is the Google advertiser ID. You can just upload the raw values, or like you can use MD5 hashed values or SH82586 hashed values. These are like advanced encryption. You can upload, and TikTok will decrypt it and use it as for targeting. And you can name it, and then you can upload files in a CSV format or a text TXT format. These are the things. This is the audience manager. You can just click the create audience, create custom audience. As you might know, once you create the custom audience, you can create multiple LLA based on that. LLA is the lookalike audience. Once you click the create or custom audience, TikTok will prompt for which are the type of audience you want to create. One is like you can create based on the app activity, or if you have the website traffic and you have that TikTok pixel on it, you can use those for retargeting. And you can like use the lead generation forms who have submitted or who have viewed your forms but not submitted. Those kind of things can be configured. And a customer file, that is the thing I have mentioned. This is the two things TikTok allows. Just wait. No, this yeah, IDFA and GAID. For the unaware, phone number and email matching are currently in testing. So you can upload phone numbers and email ID with the country code and with the proper formatting, and TikTok can match those audience, but currently it's under testing. What TikTok has already excelled is like the mobile ad identifier, which is the Apple identifier for advertisers, Apple advertiser ID, or Google advertising ID. This would be the IDs you can use to create custom audience, or you can exclude those audience also. Say if at all you want to not for they exclude buyers who have visited your website in the last 30 days, because you don't want to promote some offers for those customers. You can exclude that as well. And regarding the other things, add interest. These are the commonly used interest based targeting. Yeah, say this is the kind of targeting TikTok is allowing us to target. There are like major targetings available under each category. You can just expand it. For tech and electronics, you can expand like cell phones, and then you can under cell phones you can prospects who are like the audience who has expressed interest in cell phone accessories. Those kind of things you can target. So interest based targeting and custom audience based targeting are the primary targeting. And if TikTok itself, algorithm itself says like whether your audience selection is narrow or fairly broad depending on that, you can enable the targeting expansion. If your audience is low, you can enable the targeting expansion. TikTok will again ask for a prompt like whether you want to expand the audience. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification.